Changing your phone number on Zoom is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information. Step 1. Sign into Zoom. Go to the Zoom website or open the Zoom app on your device. Enter your credentials to log into your account. Step 2. Access profile settings. Once logged in, navigate to the profile section. You can find this in the left-hand menu or under your account settings. Step 3. Edit phone number. In the profile section, look for the phone number field. Click on the edit button next to it to make changes. Step 4. Enter new phone number. Type in your new phone number in the designated field. Make sure to double check the number for accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, click the Save button to confirm the changes. You may receive a verification message to ensure the update was successful. Once you've completed these steps, your phone number will be updated in your Zoom account. If you encounter any issues, consider checking Zoom's Help Center for further assistance.